Hi Stampers, this is Debbie Henderson from Debbie's Designs. Welcome to a new video. Today's video I'm going to show you how to create the split panel card fold. As you can see, there's two panels, one on the top that is still attached to the card base and the one on the bottom that is attached with this center panel, and the sentiment peeks through the hole there in the center. So let's get started with our project today. For cardstock, we're using soft suede, 11 inches by 4¼ inches, scored at 5½ at the center. And we're actually going to be cutting some of this, and I'll show you how to do that. We're also using a piece measuring 3¼ inches by 2 inches, Whisper white, 4 inches by 5¼ inches, and 3 inches by 1¾ inches. We need 2 pieces of the birthday bouquet designer paper, and I'm using 2 different patterns, and those measure 4 inches by 1¾ inches. And I wanted to give you a look at this paper and see how pretty it is. There's 12 different patterns and they all coordinate in color, and these are the top 2 that we're using today. You're also going to need the soft suede ink, soft suede Stampin' Right marker, Blushing Bride, a blender pen, the clear Wink of Stella, and I just noticed I grabbed the wrong one, that's the gold. We need the clear. You're going to need white baker's twine, and the 2 stamped images is the ice cream cone and the You're So Sweet. So let's get started with our card. Before I show you how to cut the soft suede piece, I wanted to show you a couple cards that I made. This one was the one in the previous video that I showed you how to spritz the white honeycomb to give it color. And this one I haven't posted on my blog yet, so you're getting a sneak peek. This is the little chick with the honeycomb used as the belly, and I also spritzed this one with So Saffron. So you'll see this one coming on my blog in the next week or so. Now, using the 11 inch by 4¼ inch card base, you're going to take the score line and place it on the 2 inch mark. And you're going to cut this portion off. So when you fold this over, this is what your card base is going to look like. Now we also need a piece for the bottom, so we're going to use the piece that you just cut off and cut another piece that measures 2 inches. So they're going to go this way, and then we're going to see everything else peeking through. So let me put this aside. So now I'm going to bring in the Whisper white layer so I can glue that to the inside of my card base. And then we're going to use the designer paper. And what's neat about this paper, it's actually the same pattern, but I just flipped it over. And we're using 2 pieces from the same sheet. So I'm going to add adhesive to both of these. And I'm going to glue the mint macaron, I'm assuming is this color. And dummy me, I forgot to flip this over when I was showing you the 2 designs, so I actually put glue on the wrong side. So I've got another piece here. So this is how your card is going to go together. This is going to be at the bottom, and then we're going to bring the layer here and glue this together. But I want to do my stamping first. So this time I'm going to ink my stamp with the Stampin' Right markers. So I'm going to color the top portion with the Blushing Bride. And this is just a lined image, so it's pretty easy. And then we'll bring in the soft suede to do the cone part. And if you've never stamped with markers before, by the time you get done coloring with one color, this color may have dried a little bit, so you're going to huff on it to re-moisten. And then we're going to stamp the image. Now I'm going to bring in the little honeycomb. And like I said, these are self-adhesive. I can get it. So I'm going to glue the first half down. Remove the second backing. And glue down the second half. Now I didn't get that centered very well. I think I can pull it back off. No, I just made a mess. That's why in my other video I showed you how to add a circle to the back. It does make it a lot easier to center your piece. So let me try this again. There we go. So that's what your little ice cream cone looks like. And now we're going to bring in the sentiment. And what I'm going to do is just line this up evenly on the ends just for a visual right now. Because what I want to do is add my sentiment first. Oh, that's going to be so cute. And I'm going to add adhesive just to the top and the bottom of the soft suede. So now we're going to line this up again. Whoops. And we're going to press this in place. And I did decide I wanted to add some white baker's twine to the bottom of my ice cream panel. So I'm going to wrap that around 3 times. And I'm just going to double knot this one. I just felt that it needed something there on the bottom. And we'll bring in our scissors and just trim the ends. And I'm going to glue the ice cream cone in place with Stampin' Dimensionals. So this portion is going to go right over the soft suede layer. I do have one more step. We're going to use the Wink of Stella. And what I want to do is add a little bit of shimmer to my honeycomb. So I'm just painting, because this is a little paintbrush, on the insides of the honeycombs that you see the most. And then I'm just going to rub it on the top here. And this is working. I don't know if you'll be able to see it or not. There is a little bit of shimmer there. I can't get it right on my camera, but there is some shimmer there, trust me. So I hope you enjoyed my card for today. Don't forget to check out the Celebration catalog and the Occasions catalog. All of the products in both catalogs are fantastic. A lot of stuff that you can coordinate together. So thanks so much for stopping by. I'll have my online store at the end of my video and all the supplies I used for today's card. Bye-bye.